creating some of the coolest stuff in the country.
And to stay true to who we really are, there really is no compromise.
I'm Ryan Chaney with 44 Build.
And I'm Steve Mabry with 44 Build.
.44 Build is your one-stop shop for all your custom needs. You can build anything from furniture to complete build-outs.
We built a reputation for using reclaimed materials, and that's just our style. We've done restaurants, bars, coffee shops, office spaces, trailers, anything custom. And just overnight, a ton of exposure.
We had the coach of the Dallas Cowboys, Jason Garrett, and that led to a job with Daryl Johnston, another ex-Cowboy player.
Richard Rollins, he was a great client.
They pay us top dollar to design it, build it, and do it all fast.
But we're lucky because everybody's trash is our treasure. When I go picking, I'm looking for the rusty, crusty stuff. This is killer right here.
The legs are awesome.
Yeah, it'd be a good base for a table. Ryan's looking for old patinaed wood. Look at this, hiding in plain sight. Pretty sweet. When I was a kid, I used to go dumpster diving. Now I'm an adult and I go dumpster diving.
What about this? Did you use this when you were a kid?
This is the first jack that ever came out. This is actually a Walker mechanical jack.
We're taking stuff that was going to be discarded, trash, and giving it a new life.
I appreciate everything that we build because there's always a story behind it. The history just keeps going on.
But we just can't hire anybody to come here and do what we're doing. Just definitely the man in charge when it comes to getting the jobs done.
I communicate all Ryan's ideas into the shop and make his dreams come true.
Lonnie's a blacksmith. It's a dying art, and what Lonnie's doing is something special.
At my age, I'm darn near resalvaged now.
44 Build, this is Tiffany.
Tiffany is my assistant. She does all my bookwork, make sure that the guys get paid.
Tiffany is not Steve's assistant. Tiffany is our office manager.
Come on, anybody can add. It's just math. Let's go.
Oh, you asshole.
It's a funny little arguing duo.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure ours is better. Thought I was gonna have like a frame going all the way around.
It was gonna look stupid. I'm in charge of the metal work, and I'm so sick of his wood guys picking our stuff to death.
Ours is better. There is always an unspoken competition between what me and Steve do. Hey, don't worry about that right now. My shit's always better.
We have deadlines.
All these?
Yes.
The good and bad thing about Ryan is he doesn't know what his limitations are, and it normally screws us when it comes to timelines.
They just need to step it up. That's not my fault. I want this brand to be big and to go to the next level.
And I want it to be around for generation to generation.
Look at that. That is unbelievable.
What we're dealing in is the unknown, making objects from nothing. It's crazy. At the end of the day, the customer's always happy. We take a lot of pride in that.